students, today we are going to start new chapter in the English language, chapter number 15, parts of sentence, subject and predicate. Okay, then what is sentence? Sentence is a group of words that gives complete meaning. It is called sentence. In sentence there is two types. First is subject, second is predicate. Subject and predicate constitute a complete sentence. Okay, the subject is the main part of a sentence. The subject is that part of the sentence about which or whom something is said. Let's take an example of a sentence. Advik is playing. The sentence is told about Advik. So here Advik is the subject. Then what is predicate? The predicate of a sentence is the remaining part of the sentence. So the predicate is whatever said about the subject in the above sentence is playing, is describing the action of the subject Advik. Hence the part is playing is the predicate of the sentence. Okay. The rules for identifying of the subject and predicate in a sentence. First is normally the subject in a sentence will be a noun and pronoun. To identify the subject, first find out the verb. Once the verb is known, make a question to that verb using who or what. In the maximum situation, the subject of the sentence will be the answer. In our earlier example, is playing is the verb. So if we make a question by adding who, it will be who is playing, and the answer is Advik. So here Advik is a subject and it is a name, hence a noun. Remember that the subject can be a single or more word. For example, if I write the above sentences as Adarsh brother is playing. Okay, in this sentence the subject is Adarsh's brother or Advik. Okay, sometimes the subject may not appear distinctly in a sentence, but it can be implied. For example, in the sentence get out from the class, the full sentence is the predicate. The subject is you, which is not distinct but implied. So care must be exercised to understand the meaning of the sentence. For identifying the subject in a request or command, the subject of a sentence is usually not stated. Okay, now come to the predicate. Okay, the predicate of a sentence normally contains a verb and shows action. If you remove the subject part from the sentence, the leftover is the predicate. The predicate normally explains what the verb is doing. The predicate in a sentence are of three types. First is simple predicate, second compound, and third is complete. Okay, a simple predicate tells only about the action of the subject. Or earlier example, Advik is playing is a simple predicate. Okay, normally only one verb is used to express the predicate in the sentence. The compound predicates provide two or more details about the same subject and normally has more than one verbs joined by a conjunction. For example, Swant participated in the storytelling competition and won a prize. Here, both were participated and won is indicating the action of the subject, and Swan and they are connected by the conjunction and. A complete predicate, the complete thought of uses a single verb. For example, uh, Ali has opened her YouTube channel for the first time. The sentence completes the thought with the verb open and modifier. Okay, that's all students. Thank you.